my god!
Oh my god!
Come on, baby!
Go!
No! Okay, my grandpa made me. I didn't actually have to go, but Trick just beat Firework.
Wait, what?
Yes. Go. Wait, are you an act who sucks? He actually just beat Firework. Yeah. What the heck?
Wait.
It's in a.
He's in call with him?
Wait, I think they're. Wait. I think they're in Trick Street. Wait, hold on.
We'll still come for you, Bill.
For like a solid
We want Thomas in Among Us game, come on!
Yo, let's go!
Oh, you like cheese, man? I like cheese, bro.
Wait a minute.
Wait, when you upload to YouTube, put it in an advertisement.
Oh
my god, I got 37 on. Oh my god.
Telling my dad that he verified Firework.
Oh, I mean.
Why am I playing through?
Hey, Dad, my Trick verified Firework.
Verified Firework. Oh my gosh.
That's actually crazy. Oh my god.
Bro, don't put that now.
Curtis has to verify Firework.
I'm still.
Tô ligando, não aguento mais essa porra.
Cara, pelo amor de Deus, Bruno, vamos pro
I gotta upload the video to YouTube. I gotta upload the video.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
rated
as well. Top 3.
I recorded it. I'll put it in media, in memes.
Yo, media, let's go. What the
Yeah,
fuck?
I gotta get the recording though. Hold on.
Yeah, I've been like recording on OBS. This has been really hype.
Dude, I'm gonna get so many views for this. I'm so happy.
Recording myself for
Discord call.
Firework! Verified!
Firework.
It's like the best clickbait title.
Wait, hold up, does anyone
Wait, dude, did he upload the video? Did he upload the video yet?
What's the reaction, dude?
I want to see the clip.
It's uploading to YouTube. It's uploading to YouTube. I'll put it in memes.
Okay.
When it
Realize
gets
the
uploaded.
actress gets rated. Saturday's out of the top 3, right?
Oh
Yeah,
my, wait,
yeah,
no, it's,
wait,
it's
wait,
top
I'll-
3. It's
Wait,
top
is
3
Slaughterhouse
now.
rated yet?
No.
No.
we forgot about
It's gonna get on first.
No, but Victor's Paco's the only Victor, and Paco says it's like easier than Tartarus.
Yeah,
so.
Slaughterhouse got rated.
First? That's what.
Yeah,
it's
but literally, he's like
Paco
the
said
best
Arcturus
player,
is.
bro.
I mean, yeah, that's true, but also Tartarus is heavily ship based too, so they
I have a
equal out.
question. I have a question. Does anyone have popcorn for the show?
Bro,
I had popcorn this time.
I'm sorry.
oh my god, guys! I just realized once a group of circles gets verified, Tartarus at fucking top 4.
Holy shit.
This game's
The video's going up now.
Literally
I got
2
the video.
top 1s verified in the same week.
That's insane, honestly.
Go to memes. Go to memes.
Yeah.
I'm posting it there now.
Your jump. Bro, hold up. This now
okay.
is possibly,
Oh,
this
hold on,
could
let
be
me see
one
this.
of the bigger jumps in the game.
Oh, it's just.
He
fucking did
fireworks, bro. 50? It's the chat.
No, because we have
I have a 3-minute video, and it's just the chat exploding with gold. Getting far.
Send the video, send, oh my,
It's
send
in
the video.
memes.
Memes.
It's in memes. I have like
Bro,
before chat
I see
reaction
it.
that's been verified.
Epic M to fail, haha. Epic M to fail.
This is insane.
It's really great.
Recording too. I got the thing on recording.
Look at the go at
I have
64
it.
channel.
It's so bad.
Dude.
Tartarus is
Smoking that.
Oh, dude, Tartarus is done. Yeah, let's realize. Let's go.
Arrows just got fucking twice.
But I can't because we're too far away. Yeah.
Trick beat Wild West. Let's go.
Well, guys,
Dude, he didn't even say anything yet. He verified it on the attempt 174.
that is what I call
Let's
consistency.
go.
You got 95, 98, and then the 100. That is a
Yeah, that's absolutely
That's a-
absurd day.
That's
a good ass consistency.
Yeah, I know.
They deleted the link. They deleted the link.
seen someone so consistent at a top 1.
They didn't.
He got 90. Bro, he got 98, not even that long ago.
And then, like 10 minutes later, he got the 100. That is insane.
How many attempts?
Who is doing that?
234K.
How much?
I'm so happy I played the harmonica once it happened. I was really mad at that.
I need to see his reaction, honestly.
This is insane. I'm so happy I was here to play the harmonica.
This game is getting so hard.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I mean, hey, at least Firework was verified before Halloween, so we could get rated on Halloween.
That'd be awesome.
Don't get it. Your soundboard is not funny. Or
I think
Soundboard is playing.
I need to remind you.
Somebody already commented.
Oh, hi, Zach.
Oh my god.
I need to remind you all. There was a time where Bloodlust.
3
was
people
the number
commented,
one
dude.
team.
Wait.
How did we got?
I come to JJ.
3 people commented on the video. Who should I pin? Who do I pin?
I was the first comment. I come to JJ. I come to JJ.
Since Kato was number 1.
Hold up.
I gotta get the video open. You gotta pin me. Hold up.
You gotta pin me, bro.
Oh wait, did we got recorded the
Favorite.
Alright.
JJ.
Yo.
Just J.
Okay, 60 seconds. Okay. I know, like, in Premiere, so, like, when it actually starts, there's another way. And you can't disable it.
Turn on 2x speed. It goes through it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's actually beginning so soon. Kanye East JJ. Oh my gosh, just a GD player donated 1,000 rub.
Wait, how much is rub? That's $14.
I hate how currencies are rude, but it makes sense that they have to be. Thanks. Bro, I didn't know like Trick was playing Fireworks since November.
That's a really long time.
Yeah.
I thought he said 6 months. That's 11.
No, that's when he got Verifier, but he was still like playing it.
Ooh, it started.
Oh. Wait, it started? It didn't start for me.
Oh, for me it did.
Wait, refresh? Yes. Okay, 2x speed.
Alright, I'm at 138.
It's so loud. Okay. Okay, I'm at 125. Alright,
I'm at 114.
Oh, it's breaking it.
Yeah, it crashes after a few seconds.
But it's still faster.
You have to wait a bit so it doesn't lag quicker.
Okay, I'm at 1 minute.
Yeah, me too. That background is kind of crunchy.
Yeah. Two times speed moment. Oh my gosh. I'm the Kanye East man.
Kanye East, man.
Yeah. Why is everyone only donating rub?
Probably like the same place that Trick might be. Yeah, I don't know.
Isn't Trick American?
10 seconds.
10 seconds, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it to normal speed.
People are like 30 and 20 seconds.
You're still counting
Duh.
down from 10.
I feel bad for them. Okay, it started. Oh my gosh, this is like dramatic. Over
200K.
200,000 attempts of pain and suffering. I thought he had fun. I guess he would like get mad.
Yeah, he got 98 too.
Yeah. I thought it was almost over. Oh yeah, he's been like another 6 months. 91. Kanye East, man. I like new Trick in like January, but like I didn't know he was like gonna be verified for Firework. I thought he was just some random. Yes, Kanye East. Yes, Kanye East is in it. Let's go.
Wait, where?
He's
Where
in,
is
like,
he?
He's in like the middle of it.
Oh.
Yes.
I made a severe lapse, guys.
He made a severe lapse.
Honestly, I think I might have to drop the YouTube game. I don't know. No. I mean, I did make a severe
Kanye
lapse,
East
guys.
has blessed.
Yeah, I'm not gonna see YouTuber.
Here we go. Now he's just baiting it.
Oh, okay. This is the attempt.
I'm like so ahead for some reason.
Yeah, cause I crashed it to 720p. So it like lagged backward. Alright, now we're almost at the same part.
Yeah, we're like exactly the same now. Bro, I'm so happy I added Kanye East. Let's go. Let's GEGE.
Who got the Kanye East thing?
I don't know who bought it, but I like made it popular, so I'm JJ. Go.
Gaga. I said Gaga.
JJ Kanye East Hyper Demon.
Wait, did he show the 98 death?
No, he didn't actually. That's kind of
Bruh.
rude. But you know, it was still pretty good, like, intro. Okay, far.
5,000 watching.
Oh my gosh. That is a lot of people.
That's a good thing about premieres, cause it notifies people and then they can like get ready for it.
Yeah.
Instead of live, just no notification and go live.
Come on, go. JJ soon. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to say that.
Alright, I'm gonna say JJ moment when it happens. Alright.
Yes.
The chat is...
Oh, Mango's here.
The VC is exploding.
Yeah, the VC was literally exploding.
It's over.
I hear Shane.
Wait, Shane was in the call?
I guess.
Wait.
They keep donating rub. Look at this. Home Alone swimming toilet.
Oh, that's so... Who would do that?
1.0005 will. How do you swim in the toilet?
Oh my gosh.
Like...
It says
what?
only one is watching now.
I don't think even a baby is small enough to swim in a toilet.
Yeah.
Like, okay, so how big is a average baby? Okay, 19 and 21 inches long. Okay. How big is a toilet bowl? Okay, so it's just wide enough to fit a baby.
Just barely wide enough.
By 1 inch, it's wide enough. And some of them are 21 inches long, so it's over the toilet size.
Yes, I got a bunch more likes.
How many?
I have 180 now. I'm so happy I did a Kanye East video. JJ, that's the biggest JJ ever. JJ never die.
JJ never die?
Yep. Well, I think I'm done here, so.
Krongles is better than Pringles?
What's Krongles? That looks horrible.
Why?
Pringles taste good.
I'm starting to doubt food theory. Hang on, I want to see if the list is broken yet.
Alright.
Not yet.
That's it.
Hey yo, Trick! Hey yo! Good luck on Firework! You better beat it! You better beat it! You better beat it, cuz, yo! You're a fire!